Hello everyone, welcome to our channel where we make money matters easy to understand. Today we're talking about a big idea called compound interest. It might sound a bit fancy, but it's really a simple and powerful way to make your money grow. Many people have wrong ideas about it, which means they miss out. We're going to clear up those wrong ideas and show you simple ways to make your money work harder for you. Myth number one: compound interest is only for rich people, and not true at all. Compound interest works for everyone. It makes any amount of money grow, whether you start with just 1000 rupees or 1 lakh rupees. The most important thing is not how much money you start with, but when you start and how often you put money in. Every rupee, every dollar, every currency can grow. Don't let small amounts stop you. Even tiny seeds can grow into huge trees. Myth number two: it's too hard to understand. Again, that's not right. At its basic level, compound interest means your first amount of money earns interest. And then that interest also starts earning more interest. Think of it like this: your first money is a worker. That worker earns you more money, interest. With simple interest, only that first worker earns. But with compound interest, the money that worker earns also becomes a worker and starts earning even more money. It's like having an army of moneymakers growing bigger all the time. The math might look tricky in books, but the idea itself is very clear. Here's another common wrong idea: compounding makes you rich super fast, maybe even overnight. This is probably the most harmful wrong idea because it makes people give up too soon. Compound interest is like a long race, not a quick sprint. In the first few years, your money might not seem to grow much, but the real magic, the fast growth, happens much later, when your money has had enough time to truly multiply on its own. Being patient and sticking with it are its best friends. So, now that we've cleared up these common mistakes, how can you actually use this power? First, start early, keep going. We can't say this enough. Time is your biggest advantage. Even putting in just 500 rupees regularly for many years can turn into a large sum because of compound interest. Making it automatic is a great idea. Set up regular payments from your bank account into your investments. The earlier your money starts compounding, the less you have to work for it. If you're finding this information helpful, please do us a quick favor. Press the like button on this video to help more people find it, and share it with a friend or family member who needs to understand how their money can grow. Every little bit of your support helps us make more useful videos. Second, look for good returns and reinvest what you earn. Don't let your money just sit in bank accounts that pay very little interest. Look for options like fixed deposits that pay more, or government schemes like Public Provident Fund (PPF) and National Pension System (NPS), or different types of mutual funds. These can help your money grow much faster. If you get money back from your investments, like dividends from stocks or interest from bonds, choose to put that money back in. This means your earnings immediately go back into your investment, becoming part of your main amount, and start earning their own returns. This makes your money grow even faster. Third, minimize fees and think about taxes. High fees take away from your earnings, which means less money can grow. Always be aware of any fees on your investments. Also, look for accounts that offer tax benefits. In India, for example, things like PPF continue to offer tax-free interest and maturity. NPS also has benefits. The main goal is to keep more of your earnings working for you, either by paying lower fees or getting tax advantages. Now, a few things to be careful about that can slow down your money's growth. High interest debt. This is like compound interest working against you. High interest debt, such as credit card debt, actively eats away at your financial future. Try to pay it off as fast as you can. Taking money out often. If you keep taking money out of your investments, you stop your money from having the long, undisturbed time it needs to grow fully. Ignoring inflation. Understand that inflation makes your money buy less over time. Your investments need to grow faster than inflation for your wealth to truly increase. Compound interest helps you beat inflation over many years. Compound interest is not a trick, it's a basic rule for building wealth. By clearing up the myths and following these simple steps, you can turn your money into a powerful growth machine. Don't wait, start now, and watch your financial future change for the better. What's the biggest money mistake or wrong idea you've heard or believed? Tell us in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to our channel for more simple and useful money advice. Make sure to tap that bell icon and then tap it again so you never miss out on our new videos. We're here to help you on your money journey with clear and helpful guidance. See you in the next video.